India is the world's fifth largest economy and it is on a path to becoming a $5 trillion economy in the near future. India's economy has been steadily growing with an average growth rate of 7.5% over the past decade. Several factors are working in India's favor, which will help the country achieve its goal of becoming a $5 trillion economy. One of the primary factors that will help India achieve its goal is its demographic advantage. India has a young population with a median age of just 28 years. This means that India has a large and growing workforce that is expected to contribute to economic growth in the coming years. According to the International Labour Organization, India is expected to have the largest working age population in the world by 2030, which presents a significant opportunity for economic growth. Another critical factor that will help India become a $5 trillion economy is the country's growing middle class. The middle class is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, with estimates suggesting that it could reach 547 million by 2025. This will lead to an increase in consumer spending and boost economic growth. According to a report by McKinsey, India's consumer market is unexpected to reach $6 trillion by 2030, making it the world's third largest consumer market after the US and China. India has also made significant progress in the area of infrastructure development, which will play a critical role in achieving the goal of becoming a $5 trillion economy. The government has launched several initiatives aimed at improving the country's infrastructure, including the development of highways, railways, airports, and seaports. According to the World Bank, India's Logistics Performance Index has improved significantly in recent years, with India ranking 44th out of 160 countries in 2020, up from 54th in 2018. Another important factor that will help India achieve its goals of becoming a $5 trillion economy is the country's focus on innovation in technology. India has made significant progress in the area of technology and innovation, with several startups emerging in recent years. According to a report by NASSCOM, India has the third largest startup ecosystem in the world, with over 50,000 startups. Finally, India's focus on sustainability and green growth will also help in achieving the goal of becoming a $5 trillion economy. According to the International Energy Agency, India is expected to be the largest contributor to the increase in a global energy demand over the next 2 decades. In conclusion, India is well positioned to become a $5 trillion economy in the near future. The country has several factors working in its favor, including its demographic advantage, growing middle class, infrastructure development, focus on innovation and technology, and focus on sustainability and green growth. With continued efforts in these areas, India is on track to becoming a global economic powerhouse in the coming years.